Alright, in this video we're working on the 2005 Silverado Super Sport again. This is the rear-wheel drive, two-wheel drive edition, the half-year model. It already has Beltech Street Performance Drop Shocks on it. And we're going to remove those. It's a 19mm nut and bolt on the bottom side. The top is two 17-inch nuts up there. We're going to pull that out and put a new one in. We remove the nut, the bolt will come right out. And then you can pull your shock out. And then the easiest way I found of removing these, instead of trying to get two small wrenches in there, is just you put your socket with an extension and you get your impact gun and just zip it real quick. Okay, we got our impact gun. Just want to get just the top. There it goes. That one's off. Then once you get the top one off, do it the next one. And then should be ready to come out. Okay, back down below. Comes right out. Then we're ready to install the new one. Don't forget to prime your front shocks as well as your rear shocks. And you can watch one of the other videos I did on how to prime your shock absorbers before installing them to get all the air out. And this, putting the new one in goes in the exact same way. And we'll do that right now. Okay, here's the new shock absorber for the front. You can see it's got double lock nuts on top, so you just remove those and then install it, and we'll go through that. As you can see, the little rubbers has little notches where they fit in between the sheet metal for the top. So we're gonna go ahead and install this one. The little notch goes in here, and then you'll see where it plugs in right there. By the way, there's your part number. It's 10103B as in Bravo, and that's with DJM lower control arms and the original shock mounts on top. Okay, I found it easier to put the lower bolt in first. You slide the shock in so that it goes through the top mount, and then you put this bolt in down here, and then you grab your upper rubber piece. Remember, it has this little dimple to go in to the shock mount from the top. Then you got your top washer, and then two jam nuts. So you're gonna put your first one on, torque it down to the torque spec. It's like 18 foot-pounds, and then you put the second nut on to lock it in place. Hope you found this video helpful. Subscribe for more.